Hello, hello, my people. Happy Sunday. So, today is my day off from working out. So, on days that I don't work out, I'm going to eat low carb. But before we get into this, I want to thank y'all for supporting my channel. If y'all can continue watching all the way through, getting my views up. I don't know, for some reason, I don't think my videos has been falling into the analytics very well because they're very low, or maybe it's just, I don't know, people are not interested. But for those of you who do watch, I thank you very much. Y'all know I'm on this intermittent fasting as well as Lent, and what else am I doing? Healthy eating. And I do have a couple of videos back explaining why I'm jumping into this so fast, but today is the start of the new week. It's Sunday, and so I'm also going to be doing a compilation of recipes and meals that I eat during the week. I won't be able to probably do every meal that I make, but I try to video record or take a picture or whatever, the ones that I can. So again, today is Sunday. I'm not working out, so on days that I don't work out, I want to do lower carbs. And I'll come back and touch on, some of that, because this ain't my first rodeo with working out. I used to work out with strength trainers and stuff who went to school for this, who train NFL players, NBA players, college players, and all of that. So, some things people jump on fads, that's particularly not good for the body, but I'll make that a mukbang. And maybe I'll just do it now while I'm eating this after I show y'all this. But this is two jumbo whole eggs and one jumbo egg white with a slice of Munster cheese. This is chicken sausage. And then this is a multi-grain 7 grain slice of bread right here with a little butter. And then this right here is my protein smoothie. I've showed y'all the protein that I use all the time in my smoothies. Just go back through my last couple of videos and you'll see it. I also put one banana in here, a lot of ice, because I like my smoothies like frosty, I don't like them like milk. I don't even like milk much. But and then to make it chocolate, because I only use the vanilla protein powders, you just get some Hershey's cocoa powder. Is no sugar in it. I don't think as much of anything in it. In your protein powder and whatever fruit banana that you put in it, you won't taste the bitterness of the chocolate. I just used a tablespoon full. I didn't use a lot. So this is what I'm going to break my fast with this right now, because I need to get my protein intake up as well, especially now that I'm working out. And then I got my water right here. This Starbucks canister holds like 3 cups of water. So my plan is to try to get down at least 3 of these for the day. So until next time, peace, and I'll be back. Hello, hello, hello. I'm back. This is my dinner for tonight. So I pan-fried some salmon, and I also made some collard greens. This is like 1 cup. And I have like 7 ounces of salmon right here. So, yeah, this is Sunday, March, 8th? This is my second dinner. This is my dinner. So maybe I'll eat once more. I'm not sure. It's 8 o'clock now. I want to have all my meals in by 10. So I may not be hungry, but we'll see. Until next time. Okay, I'm back. This is gonna be my last snack for the night. It's like 10 o'clock right now. And I don't want to eat anything too heavy, and I'm just a little hungry. Also on my second bottle of water. So this is Stonyfield vanilla organic yogurt with some granola, some sprouts. So that's all I got for you until tomorrow. Peace out. Hello, hello, hello. It's Wednesday night. Happy hump day. I am back with my dinner. This is my first meal, actually. I was just tired and lazy all day, so I actually didn't even break my fast until like 6:15, and I just had an orange, and then I had to leave out. So it is 8 o'clock, a little after 8:16 right now. So I'm gonna eat this. I want to try to get in as many meals as I can by 11, maybe midnight, because I'll still be up. But hopefully by 11 I could get in at least one more meal, and then that will be it for the day. And I got my water, my core water right here. And so this is beef and broccoli from the Chinese spot. I ain't make this. This is 1 cup of beef and broccoli, and then a half a cup of brown rice. And I'm just drinking my water. And then after that, my plan is to make me a couple of boiled eggs with some sausage and a small smoothie. So till next time, peace. Don't forget to watch my videos all the way through and follow me and support me through my weight loss journey. Join me if you can. Hello, I'm back. It's 11:49. This is my last meal. I didn't do very well with getting my meals in, but I'm not too concerned because I didn't work out. This is Wednesday night. I have a grilled cheese on a multi-grain bread with a slice and a half of Munster cheese and 1 slice of Boar's Head mild yellow cheese. And then this is my smoothie. It's banana and strawberry with my protein powder in it and a little teaspoon of Irish sea moss. I don't know how much of the protein powder and Irish sea moss is in here because I made it too loose. Poured some in my cup, had to dump the other half out because my son didn't want it. And I poured what was in my cup back in the blender with some more ice and another banana. And then I have like 1/4 of a cup of yogurt I mixed in with it as well. So this is the last of my meals, which was a really crappy day. I was just tired. Excuse me, I was just tired, worn out. Just didn't feel like doing much. So tomorrow I have a pretty strenuous workout again with my girl Christina. We start off with, I believe, a 35-minute spin class, and then her second class is her flex class, which is with weights and, you know, body weight and all of that stuff right there for another 35 minutes. So I got my work cut out for me. So until then, peace. Hello. Today is Thursday. Happy Thursday. I did a workout today and went back to my lingerie shop and got a bra and a camisole. And I went to the Greek spot and got me food for lunch and dinner. I will be showing that, but I'm breaking my fast with this dragon fruit smoothie from Nectar Juice Bar. I think it's called the Pink Flamingo. I added a banana to it and a pea protein boost, and this is a 16 ounce. So I'm still going, so be back with the rest of my meals for the day. And also I have coming up a bra review, those the camisole I just got, and also the scoop on those Freddie jeans. So until the next time, see ya later. Hello, hello, hello. I'm home now. It is 5:13 or something like that. So I'm just now eating my first full meal. As you saw in the previous clip, I went to Nectar Juice Bar and got me a smoothie with a protein scoop in it. And this is a chicken shawarma wrap. I have a little bit of tzatziki sauce. It don't look like I'm gonna need any though, but what they put in there. So, yes, this is my first full meal of the day. And until I come back, peace. Follow me on my journey. Please watch my videos all the way through. I appreciate it. Enjoy your Thursday night. Okay, y'all. Happy Thursday night. It's Friday for some of y'all, but this is my last meal. I'm a little bit late getting it in. It's about 11:13 or so. I was supposed to eat by 11:15, but I wasn't really hungry. So now I'm eating. Got my water on deck right here. This is falafel right here with some tomato, a little bit of onions. I took the lettuce out because it had started turning brown. And then some yellow rice. I'm not going to eat all that rice. I'm going to just eat some of it. And then I have some mangoes here. The reason why you see so many is because the mangoes that I had got last week, they just was not good. I think I may have eaten one and like threw away 4. So that's whatever. I said those was bad. I was going to take them back to the store. But yeah, so this is my dinner. And so until the next episode, peace.